sunrise paints the sky white. Coconut trees sway, their arms open wide. Eagles soaring where the sea kisses the tide. Coral whisper secrets, islands hum a tune. Mountains hold the shadows, waiting for the moon. Blue ocean rolling, calling me, calling me. Seagulls flying, free to be, free to be. Golden horizon, that's where I'll stay. Chasing the sun through another day. Sand beneath my feet, a soft kind of gold. Clear skies above, a story never told. White clouds drifting, dreams they unfold. The breeze carries laughter, it dances with the waves. Every moment's treasure, no need to say. Blue ocean rolling, calling me, calling me. Seagulls flying, free to be, free to be. Golden horizon, that's where I'll stay. Chasing the sun through another day.
Don't forget to subscribe, my friend.